Zhejiang Blossom Science and Technology Company Limited is located in Yongkang City. The company is mainly engaged in development, production and marketing of kitchenware such as coffee grinders, electric and manual, salt and pepper mills, portable blender, oil sprayer and others. Our company have been cooperating with Huawei, Walmart, Costco, QVC, Aldi and Supermarket. Our company has advanced software and hardware technology and first-class qualified R&D department with professional researchers. We have more than 25 patents and more than 100 staff for our products' appearance and functionality. All of our products have passed the BSCI, ISO 9001, FCC, FDA, DOE, CEC, LFGB, CE, ROHS tests. Our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets throughout the world. We provide OEM and ODM service. Our mission is to be actively at the front line of kitchenware production in order to seek, explore and develop new high-tech products that are advanced and eco-friendly, always considering to satisfy the needs of our customers. We believe that we can offer our customers competitive products to help customers increase their sales in the local markets. We sincerely hope to establish long-term business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future. Thank you.